Registering your Samsung account. Before we can connect and use our SmartThings devices, we first must register a Samsung account. Since this tutorial series is for setting up the SmartThings Hub version 2, we will need to use the SmartThings Classic app. If you don't already have the SmartThings Classic app, download it onto your mobile device for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. When it has downloaded, open the SmartThings app to begin. Once it opens, we can see two buttons, New to SmartThings and I'm a SmartThings user. Since it's the first time we've used it, choose New to SmartThings. The next screen that loads will give us the choice to sign in or create account. We want to create a Samsung account, so we choose Create Account. We are now asked if we agree to the terms and conditions. To confirm that we agree, select the top option. And then tap Agree. Now we're ready to enter some brief details about ourselves. To proceed, you will need an email address. Tap the area marked Email and type your email address. Next, tap on the area that says Password and type a chosen password. Tap on Confirm Password and once again type your same password. Scroll to First Name, tap this area and enter your first name. Once you've done that, do the same for last name. Right underneath the last name area, you will see an area for entering your date of birth. First, tap on the area that says Day and choose your day of birth. Secondly, tap on Month and choose your month of birth. Finally, tap on Year and choose your year of birth. Tap on I'm not a robot and tap Next. Now we need to check our emails. There should be a new email from Samsung account waiting in your inbox. Inside the email there will be a link. Click this link to verify the email address belongs to you. Take a look on your mobile device and you will see a button named Verify Account. Tap this to complete your account registration. Lastly, tap United Kingdom and then Continue. You're now registered and ready to set up your hub.